Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you for the final part of my lessons on Going Home from Mark Knopfler. So this is part 4, the second part of the chorus, and I'll also show you how to play the ending that I put on it, okay, in case you want to use that. Okay, so in part 3, which we did the first part of the chorus, and it ended something like this. Okay, so we go into the final part now, this bit. Okay, so that's the final part of the actual chorus. Okay, so I'm going to go through that for you now slowly. Okay, so coming out of the third part, third lesson. Right, so this is where we start on the fourth part. We go to the 14th fret of the top E string. Okay, then down to the 12th fret on the top E. Then we go to the 15th fret of the second string. Right, to the 14th fret. So it's 14 on the top E, 12 on the top E, 15 on the second, 14 on the second. So, okay. And we go down to the 10th on the second. Okay, so we've got that. Then we play this bit. Right, so then we've got that far, and then we play the 11th fret of the third, and then we go to the 12th on the second. Okay, so 11 on the third, 12 on the second, then we go down to the 10 on the second, to the 8th on the second, and back to the 10 on the second. Right, so now we've got this. Okay, so very, very slowly. Okay. Then we go to that like we did on the previous part. We got this 8 to 7, back to 8 again. Up to 10, this is on the second string, 8 on the second, 7 on the second, back to 8, up to 10 on the second. Back to 8. Then we put the bar on again, like we did before. First finger bar in the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 7th fret. So we got this now. Bar. We go to the 7th fret of the 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So now we've got go up to 9 on the 4th, and then 7 on the 3rd, finally that 9 on the 3rd, so it goes, so it's 9 on the 4th, 7 on the 3rd and 9 on the 3rd. So the whole thing, very slowly. We'll go from where it comes out of that. Oh, let's do that again, shall we? Okay, got that idea. And there we have it. So that's the end of the actual chorus, and basically after that the whole thing repeats the whole song, parts 1 to 4 again. Exactly the same all over again. So you just repeat the whole thing. So 2 lots of the same thing. Yeah. How I ended it was basically when you come round, if you're doing 2 lots, when you come round from the second lot and you come out into that okay, all you do is that 8th fret of the 2nd string to 7 on the 2nd string to 5 on the 2nd string, 3 on the 2nd string, bit of a pause, and then again 2 lots of 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So you got okay, and on that bit there's some chords running down with it. Right, I'll show you those in a second. Okay, so the chords for this bit are very similar to the previous part. So it's B minor, G, same as it was before in the previous section. B minor, F sharp minor, G, D. Okay, it goes. And then you've got that run up on E minor again. Now this time we play an A sus4. Instead of just an A chord, you can play an A sus4. Pinky goes up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, then to A. So you got da 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 da. Okay, and then we play this rundown. Okay, which is E minor, sorry, no, D, no, sorry, G, da, D, da, E minor, da, and then what I'm playing is this chord, D. So it's E minor, da, what's your, so the ending's E minor, da, D, da, or D with F sharp in the bass if you want, da, da, or just D, whichever. Okay, E minor, D, or D with F sharp in the bass, da, G, da, da, and then we've got G with A in the bass. Okay, so it's like an F shape on the 3rd fret, but with the A string open. Okay, so you got da, da, G, G with A in the bass, D, and that's you can either play the just an F shape on the 3rd fret with the A open, or if you prefer, just lift the bar up as well. That's quite nice as well. If you just lift the bar up on the F shape and leave the top string open, that's quite nice as well. And then the D. So either an F shape like that, would lift the bar up, whichever you like the sound of best. Finish on the D chord. Okay. So there you have it. That is my take on Going Home from Mark Knopfler. All 4 parts, and you just basically repeat all 4 parts again and finish up on that rundown of chords. Okay. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that series of lessons. Sorry it's been maybe a little bit tedious, but I had to do it this way because otherwise it's just too much for one lesson. Okay, so see you in the next song. Bye for now.